roofing company has set out to make things right after hearing our report. Action News WJAX told you last month about Northeast Florida homeowners paying thousands of dollars in deposits only to be ghosted by Massey Contracting. You can see here in this video some of those repairs being made there. Trinity Restoration and Roofing was on the ground, or should I say on the roof, at work. A homeowner who put down a $15,000 down payment with Massey is now only paying roughly $7,500, which would have been the remaining balance owed to Massey. In May, we spoke to Chase Massey, who said he would, quote, get it fixed.
Going away for the 4th of July is fun, but